Growing your business requires the right plan, the right people, and the right tools. Deciding to use SolidWorks solutions for your business can empower that growth. 3 key principles to successfully growing your business are: increasing profitability, improve operational efficiency, win more business. Let's see how SolidWorks solutions can empower that growth. Increase your company's profitability by reducing costs starts with SolidWorks 3D design. Design changes in SolidWorks are visual and quick. 2D drawings can be laid out in seconds. Fully accurate detail views, section views, and automatic dimensioning saves time and effort. SolidWorks Costing tracks every aspect of your design to ensure products keep their profit goals, as designers can make informed decisions on materials, labor, and setup costs to lower manufacturing expenses. Here we see that a punched version of the tread plate support saves money over previous designs. Costing reports are created in one click, saving time and accounting for each manufacturing process. For assembled designs, like this machinery skate, SolidWorks Assembly Visualization will use colors to show the cost impact, which helps engineers determine the most cost-effective components. Testing a design for fit and function can create a huge reduction in rework and time creating physical prototypes. Interference and collision detection tools instantly highlight problem areas and allow you to determine the correct design changes. Here, the lifting clamp collides with the retraction arm before the arm reaches the fully open position. A quick design change solves this issue. SolidWorks Simulation increases profitability because products can be analyzed for real-world performance. Adding material loads and context to the assembly, then testing with SolidWorks Motion gives instant force feedback throughout the lifting of a pipe. Turning on stress simulation applies those forces to the design, showing how the lifting bar will cope with the forces that occur during the lift. Designing for cost, function, and strength reduces rework and the number of physical prototypes needed, saving you time and money. When your entire organization has access to the correct data whenever needed, it improves overall operational efficiency. Tightly integrated into SolidWorks, Enterprise PDM automates many processes and communications that occur during the design cycle. Enterprise PDM is built upon Windows Explorer, so it is intuitive to all users. Enterprise PDM adds the preview panel at the bottom of the screen to access file information, 3D previews, bill of materials, and where used information. Revision control, approval workflows, and powerful search capabilities can reduce up to 20% of your design time. eDrawings also creates operational efficiency, as feedback from partners and customers can be completed in minutes and sent through email. The free eDrawings viewer makes design collaboration simple, as markup for 2D and 3D content can be easily communicated. Sending your 3D designs through email makes design review easy, as your SolidWorks designs can be viewed anywhere on PC, Mac, and the iPad. Managing your data with Enterprise PDM and eDrawings streamlines business processes, reducing time to market and improving communications both inside and outside of your organization. Ultimately, every growing company's goal is to win more business. PhotoView 360 can turn any 3D design into a photo rendering. Simply add materials and place your design into a scene. PhotoView is a simple yet very powerful rendering tool that will bring products to life in seconds. Win more business by presenting a finished product weeks or months before it's manufactured. 3D via Composer can improve the way you create, update, and distribute high-quality 2D and 3D communications. Documentation can be created during the design process and completed much earlier, as updates to your designs can be incorporated into in-work documents. The quality of user manuals, assembly instructions, maintenance manuals, and interactive online content give a richer user experience than 2D black and white drawings. Composer content is at a much higher quality than common documentation tools, and you can even create interactive deliverables that can be shared on the web. Improve your brand image and win more business by communicating your designs with PhotoView 360 and 3D via Composer. A growing company's best asset is always its people. As your organization grows, you will have access to the largest and most talented group of engineers who use SolidWorks. With almost 1.8 million SolidWorks users, 160,000 companies, all supported by 400 resellers, 210 user groups, and over 50,000 certified users, this growing community is making a global impact every day with growing companies. Also, hundreds of thousands of students are graduating every year with SolidWorks skills, ready to help your company grow. When growing your business, the people and the tools you choose are critically important. Choosing SolidWorks is a clear solution. To learn more about SolidWorks products, contact your SolidWorks reseller or browse this site further.